Look at that shit right there. The I have marks all over my arms. Right there. So if I pick this one up right there. That I'm not really too sure what they're using against me, but I mean, they said these poisons would seep out through your skin, and so I have no reason to doubt them at all. I mean, every time I think something's fake, it winds up being real. So why would I doubt that? That I've been dealing with it for about every 2 weeks. I wind up with a blister. But every 2 weeks, I wind up with a blister. 2 weeks.